how to undo a message on Facebook Messenger. Now, let's say your message is not intended to be sent to this specific person, and you want to undo this specific chat that you have made on this specific person. Now, in order for you to undo a message on Facebook Messenger, all you have to do is select that specific person that you have messaged on. Let's say this one. And let's say we have messaged this specific person. There. However, if we want to undo this specific message that we have sent to this person, all we have to do is to long press it right there and click on more right here. Now, all we have to do to undo or unsend this specific message is to click on unsend. And we have two choices, whether we unsend it for everyone so that the other person won't be able to see it, or unsend it for yourself only. Now, if you want to unsend it to everyone, all you have to do is to click on that. And now I have undone, or I have unsent this specific message on Facebook Messenger. So that's how to undo a message on Facebook Messenger. Hope to help.